welcome back to another episode of Cooking Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today's extra bite behind the scenes is Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna break the third wall and talk about, or is the fourth wall? Dang, see? I'm gonna break the fourth wall and talk about what I would like for Valentine's. Because I feel like as men and guys, we don't talk about our perfect Valentine's Day date as much as our counterparts. So you see, somebody already sent me flour today, or is this not the right flour they were supposed to get sent? Anyway, I got flowers. But as far as the date goes, I would say for me, I'm very simple. I honestly always just have a good time like with my partner, but like whatever is happening. But I would say as far as a date that would be curated to my liking, I would really like to start the day out like going somewhere like a museum, because I really like museums, and it'd be really cool if we could go and then like we do like a museum kind of thing and then like walk around, get to know like what's going on with the artist, and then leave there. And I want to go to a restaurant that I have not been to. I feel like going to your favorite restaurant is cool, but like I really like new experiences. So take me somewhere that you want to go. Take me to like one of your spots that you looked up. Like I think ultimately my favorite date would be the thought of somebody else doing it for me. And I feel like a lot of people feel this way, because if you're the planner, if you're the romantic, if you're the person that usually puts in the effort, the other person putting in the effort is already just like, man, this is great. So like museum, then a restaurant of your picking. And then I think I would like to end the day with just the two of us. Yeah, just like even just watching a movie or just hanging out at the house. Like very simple, man. It's not hard. I think it's just the thought that counts. And we say that a lot, but I feel like we say that a lot because a lot of people don't think, a lot of people do not put thought into it. But as a planner, and like I'm a planner in my friend groups, I'm a planner in relationships, I'm a planner in work life. I think if you're with a planner and you know that your partner is the person that does that, and it's usually like the guys in relationships, I don't want to generalize, but maybe the women are the planner in your relationship. And like, so either way, if you're the planner, make sure that if you are dating somebody that's a planner, all they really want most of the time, I don't know, they already gave you hints like, I want this tennis bracelet, I want this watch, then get that. But most of the time, it's just like you taking the lead and planning something. I think that's it. And you probably should buy them real flowers, because for me, this is cool. But for most people, real flowers probably work better. All right, guys. I will talk to you later. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you and yours.
For watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.